Here's how you can get the Samsung Now brief on any Samsung device. As long as your device supports One UI 6 or One UI 7, you are set to go. So as you can clearly see, I'm using the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but I do have the Now brief installed. To do this, it's actually pretty simple. All you need to do is install two apps from the Play Store, which are known as Shizuku and System UI Tuner. Also, you have to update one of your apps known as Smart Suggestions. You can update this by just searching up on Google Smart Suggestions 7.0.6, and then you see the first link, which is APK Mirror. You download that and you update your Smart Suggestions, and we can move ahead. After you've installed both of those apps, you want to go to your settings and turn on developer options. If you don't know how to do this, just click About Phone, Build Number, and then tap on Build Number about 5 times, and you then become a developer. Then you go back into Shizuku, and then you see the pairing option. You grant it notification access, and then you turn on wireless debugging. Remember, to do this, you have to be connected to an external Wi-Fi. You can't use your mobile data to do this, so it can be any Wi-Fi. Just connect it to that, and then you can start Shizuku. It starts running immediately. If Shizuku doesn't immediately start running, you have to pair the wireless debugging to Shizuku. So after you've turned wireless debugging on after connecting to the Wi-Fi, you then tap on it, and then you see pairing code. You tap that pairing code, and you'll receive a notification from Shizuku saying pairing code detected. Then you type in the pairing code that you have and pair it into Shizuku. It's literally that easy. And you go back to Shizuku and press start run, and Shizuku starts running immediately. So for the next step, you want to open System UI Tuner and grant it access to all the permissions that it needs. You also need to grant it access to Shizuku. If you've not done this in the last step, you'd have to do it now. And once that's done, System UI Tuner will be open, and then you'd see a System tab by the side. You click that System tab, click Lock Screen, and then you search for Personal Data Intelligence. When you search for Personal Data Intelligence, an option will pop up. You click that, and then you also search for Developer Mode.d, and then you click that. As you can see, it's now your lock screen shortcut. You can turn your phone on and off, and you see it right there by the left screen shortcut. Now you want to open the left screen shortcut from your lock screen, and then you scroll until you see Enable Personal Data Engine, and then you enable it. After that, you want to open System UI Tuner again, go back to the lock screen, and then search for Personal Data Intelligence, but this time search for UIC and set it as your right shortcut. Now you want to go back to your lock screen, use the right screen shortcut, and then you notice that the Now brief has successfully been installed on your Samsung device. After this, you want to go back to your home screen, long hold on your home screen, and then select widgets. You want to select the Now brief widget and place it anywhere on your screen, and wow, you have the Now brief installed on your Samsung device. And you can restart your phone, and this works permanently and to always be there no matter what you do. And also you can change back the left and right screen shortcuts on your phone to anything you want it to be. And that's pretty much it. I know, pretty easy and easier than I thought it was. Like and subscribe for more tutorials, and you guys let me know what you think about this tutorial in the comment section below and what other tutorials you want to see later on.